Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, okay, so I'm on today with you with another fabulous release. We have a Halloween mini kit. I haven't looked at any of these apart from these here. And we have two of the cutesy treasures, and I do believe these are the last ones of the cutesy collection. But we'll get to them in a moment. Yeah. I want to have a look at this Halloween mini kit. Right, shouldn't really use these scissors for this, but I am. Try and get in here if I can. Try not to stab myself at the same time. Is that it? Am I in? Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Let's have a look. See what we have here. These are great, these little boxes. Yeah. Because I will put this into like a little baggie. Right, so we have a die. Oh, I like. It's got bats, the moon, there's a cat, a house, some pumpkins, and some creepy trees. Awesome. Cannot wait to use that. Oh, these you will recognise from the last year's autumn spice. I think it was called a pumpkin spice. No, I think it was autumn spice. So we have some mushrooms. We have got some pumpkins or squash. Oh, and then we have a gorgeous leaf and a head of a flower or something. Well, it's purple. It's beautiful. And then we have, ooh, what's this? Is this a sticker? Is this a sticker sheet? I see. I don't know what is in here. Yeah. The sticker sheet. Awesome. Yes. So we have some cards. So we have black. We have this gorgeous yellow, shiny on one side, matte on the other. It's got lovely texture as well. We have some matte gold card. We have some shiny gold card. We have this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Sparkly, black sparkly, and black, what's this pattern called? It's not a fleur-de-lis, it's damask. Am I right? I think that's what it is. So them are the card and a sticker sheet, which I think hopefully we'll see. We'll use with the die. And then we have some papers, and these are from, I think there's a mixture. Is there a mixture, or is it the autumn spice? Yes, it's the autumn spice. Yeah, it is. So these are, along with the card, they are 4x4 squares. So you get these ones. Absolutely gorgeous. You get the mushrooms, so I'm thinking it's 3 of each. The brown, and then this gorgeous paper here. The harlequin, 3 of them, and the pumpkins, 3 of them. So yeah, ooh, you get 3 of each and that. And now we have done the mini kit. There's a lot in that mini kit, by the way, considering it's a mini kit. I'm just going to shove that up there. And then we're going to come to these cutesy treasures. So as you can see, I have these. So these are shiny, what they're called. holographic, I think it's holographic stickers. So these are available to buy separately if you would like, in each, or you get them together. I don't know, I can't remember. Oh, they need naming. So this is Douglas the donkey, and who, I can't remember. I'm gonna have to look in my book. It's Douglas the donkey, and it is to represent, if I can find it. I haven't written it down. But I have written it down. I know I have. It's somewhere in here. Oh, come on. Why can't I find it? Angie. Yeah, it's the last one. So, Douglas is the donkey, which is to represent our lovely Angie. And the unicorn is Fluffy, the unicorn, to represent our gorgeous Susan, who is part of the design team. So let's have a look at the ephemera first. So this is the donkey one, and you get brilliant like beach bags and a donkey. Oh, isn't that just so cute? Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Fluffy the unicorn. I just think she is just adorable. Oh, he. And we get, oh, glitter glue. That's amazing. Oh, I love, 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 love. Right, okay, so we're going to get into the papers. I'm going to do Douglas the donkey first. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. These look amazing. Look at them. It's like bubbles. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous, Dawn. Absolutely gorgeous. So she does offer print and post, or you can just buy them. I think you've got to select an option for print and post. So you get 1, 2 sorry, 3, 4 of each. Oh, absolutely beautiful papers these, Dawn. I love. And you also get 2 sheets of ephemera. Isn't that donkey just adorable? Oh, absolutely love, love, love these papers. And then this one is Fluffy the unicorn. It's so fluffy. Awesome. Spotty dotty. And oh, I absolutely love. And you also get the cut part, not cut parts, the fussy cut sheets. Plus we get these at the bottom as well. So it's 8 by 8 paper. So we get them. And then, oh, absolutely adorable. And these. Oh, they go so well together, don't they? I hope you can see everything. Sorry if I knock you. And then obviously we have the Halloween mini kit. So these should be available now. It should be the 1st of August. I'm not sure if I'm doing any sneak peeks. If I can manage to stop coughing through a video, that is. So I'm not too sure if I'm doing any sneak peeks at the moment until I look at my schedule. But there we go. This is our Dawn's fabulous new release. The last of the Cutesy Treasures collection. Then they all need to be brought together, don't they? Yeah, they really, really do. Oh, Yes, there is actually something very, very special coming soon, and it is to do with the cutesy treasures. I'm not too sure if she's already said, so I'm not going to say anything at all. Um, yeah, it's exciting. It really is. I cannot wait until you get to find out. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. So yeah. Can you tell I'm excited? Very excited. I will be back. Yeah, when I know my schedule, that is. Yeah, I haven't got it. I've not written it down. I'm being poorly. But yeah, that's it. Absolutely amazing, amazing collection. I just love it. I really, really do. Right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave you. If you enjoyed watching, oh, I need to tell you as well, check out the description box below for any links that you need to follow to the shop, or all the other fabulous design team members who are working absolutely tremendous, I like that word, tremendous mix with the fabulous release. But I am going to go. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.